Hello students, welcome to the trigonometrical ratio compound angle part 2. In last chapter we have seen following formula, that is sin a plus minus b is equal to sin a into cos b plus minus cos a into sin b, and cos a plus minus b is equal to cos a into cos b minus plus, when it's plus then it will be minus sin A into sin B, and tan A plus minus B is equal to tan A plus minus tan B divided by 1 minus plus tan A into tan B, and cot A plus minus B is equal to cot cot A into cot B minus plus 1 divided by cot A plus cot B. So we have also using sin 60 degree minus 45 degree is equal to sin 15 degree, and using this formula we had derived root 3 minus 1 divided by 2 root 2, and cos 60 degree minus 45 degree is equal to cos 15 degree, we had derived root 3 plus 1 divided by 2 root 2. By using all this formula, we'll derive next set of the formula, that is sine 2 theta. So, this one, and put A is equal to theta and B is equal to also theta. Then it will be sine 2 theta is equal to sine theta into cos theta plus cos theta into sine theta. That is 2 sine theta into cos theta. So this is the one formula. Second is 2 sine theta into cos square theta divided by sine theta, cos theta. That is, this is tan theta, 2 tan theta, and this one is sec square theta. Sec square theta means 1 plus tan square theta. So sine 2 theta is equal to sine 2 theta is equal to 2 sine theta into cos theta is equal to 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. So this is the very important formula. You remember. Now come to the tan cos 2 theta. So now cos 2 theta is equal to, again putting in this formula, then it will be cos theta into cos theta minus sin theta into sin theta, that is equal to cos square theta minus sin square theta. So this also you can write 1 minus 2 sin square theta, or you can write cos square 2 cos square theta minus 1. So further you want to solve it, then 2 cos square theta is equal to, this one will hold this here, cos 2 theta, and 2 sin theta sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta. This cos 2 theta will come here. Uh, this will be over, and this will 2 cos theta plus 1. 1 is equal to and sine. So 2 will go here, this one. So this is also very important formula. Now you convert it to tan. So tan also it can be converted. How? So here 1 minus 2 sin square theta divided by cos square theta into sec square theta. So that will be 1 minus 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. Sec square theta will convert to 1 plus tan square theta. So this will go up, then it will be 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. So this formula is very important. So that you also remember. Now tan 2 theta, tan 2 theta is equal to tan theta plus tan theta divided by 1 minus tan theta into tan theta. That is 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta. So all the three 2 theta formula you must remember. Now come to the, this also very important. Now come to the sin 3 theta. Sin 3 theta is sin 2 theta plus theta is equal to sin 2 theta into cos 2 theta plus cos 2 theta into sin theta. This is equal to 2 sin theta into cos theta into cos theta plus 1 minus 2 sin square theta from above formula. 1 minus 2 sin square theta into sin theta. So cos square theta, you can write 2 sin theta 1 minus sin square theta plus this sin theta here, sin theta minus 2 sin q theta. So this will be this one 2 sin theta and sin theta 3 sin theta minus 4 sin q theta. So sin theta is sin 3 theta is this formula. This is very important formula, that also remember. Now come to the cos 3 theta. So cos 3 theta is equal to cos 2 theta, cos 2 theta into cos theta minus plus no minus sin 2 theta into sin theta. So this will be 2 cos square theta minus 1 into cos theta minus 2 sin theta into cos theta into sin theta. So this will be further we can solve, that is 2 cos q theta minus cos theta minus 2 sin square theta. Sin square theta 1 minus cos square theta into cos theta. So that will be 2 cos q theta minus cos theta minus 2 cos theta and plus 2 cos q theta. So that will be 4 cos q theta minus 3 cos theta. So this is also very important formula. So by using this we can also find the tan 3 theta. So tan 3 theta is equal to tan 2 theta plus tan theta divided by 1 minus tan 2 theta into tan theta. Now tan theta is 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta plus tan theta divided by 1 minus 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta into tan theta. We'll further solve it, then it will be 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta divided by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. So tan square theta. Let me check this correct or not. This will be correct for this. Tan cube theta. Tan tan cube theta. Yeah, 3 tan square theta. Yes. 3 tan square theta. That you can also check. That is not an issue. So now for that we'll find the value of sine 18 degree. So how we'll find the value of sine 18 degree? Let's see. Suppose theta is 18 degree, then 5 theta is 90 degree, then 2 theta is equal to 90 degree minus 3 theta. Now take sine both sides. Sine both sides. So sine 2 theta is equal to sine 90 degree minus 3 theta. So that is sine 2 theta is equal to cos 3 theta. Sine 2 theta is 2 sine theta into cos theta, and cos 3 theta. Just now we have derived the formula 4 cos cube theta minus 3 sine cos theta. 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Now cos take common and it will be cancelled. That is equal to 4 cos square theta minus 3. This 1 minus sine square theta minus 3. Further you solve it. So that is 2 sine theta is equal to 4 minus 4 sine square theta minus 3. So now it will be 4 sine square theta plus 2 sine theta, and this is 1, this side will go and will become minus 1. So now what you do, this you convert into 4 sine square theta. Yeah, yeah. So here you can find the value of sine theta immediately. Sine theta is equal to minus b plus minus root over b square. B square is 4 and plus 16. 4 4 ja 16 and minus becomes plus divided by 8. So that will be further minus 2 plus minus root over 5, and this will 2 and divided by 4. So that will be minus plus minus root 5 by 4. But minus 1 minus root 5 by 4 is less than minus 1, which is not possible for cos. So what will sine? So sine 18 degree will be what? Minus 1 plus root 5 divided by 4. So now you can find the value of sine cos 36 degree. Cos 36 degree 1 minus 2 sine square 18 degree. So that will be 1 minus 2 into minus 1 plus 5 divided by 4 square. So this will be minus 1 plus 3 minus 2 to 5 and divided by 2 as 4 4 is 16, that it will be 8. So this will be what? This will be 8 minus 4. minus 2 root 5 divided by minus minus plus 2 root 5 divided by 8. That will be 4 plus 2 root 5 divided by 8. 8. Oh, see, here root 5, then it will be 5 now. So 5 over 1, 6. So that will be 2. So it will be 1 plus root 5 by 4. So sine is this one, then cos 36 is, degree is root 5 plus 1 by 4. So these are value you must remember. Cos 36 degree is also you must remember. So sine 36 degree, cos 18 degree and uh, sine 36 degree also you can find out. So that is your homework. Okay. So now we'll solve the next set of formula. So next set of formula, cos a plus b plus cos a minus b will be what? Cos a plus cos b minus sin a into sin b plus cos a into cos b plus sin a into sin b. So this get cancelled. So that is 2 cos a into cos b. And now cos a minus cos a plus b. So that will be 2 sin a into sin b. So here you can find again sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. So that will be 2 sin a into cos b and sin a plus b minus sin a minus b. 2 cos a into sin b. So what formula we have got? This one, this one, this one, and this one. Now further you assume a plus b is equal to c and a minus b is equal to d. So 2a is equal to c plus d and 2b is equal to c minus d. So a is equal to c plus d by 2 and b is equal to c minus d by 2. Now 2 sin a into sin b, you do it this side. So here will be, here you take this one sin. So sin c plus sin d will be what? 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Sin c minus sin d is equal to 2 cos c minus d by 2 into sin c minus c plus d by 2 cos c plus d by 2 and minus d, because d is equal to c minus d by 2, and cos c plus cos d is equal to 2 cos a. So 2 cos a, 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Now take this one, so cos, this one is D, A minus B is D. So cos D minus cos C is equal to 2 sin C plus D by 2 and to sine C minus D by 2. You put minus here and minus here also. Multiply. Then this will be cos C minus cos D is equal to 2 sine C plus D by 2. And put this sign inside. Because sine minus theta is equal to minus sine theta. So that is equal to sine D minus B by 2. So now we will summary of the all form. One more formula is there, that is sine A minus B into sine A plus B. So that will be sine uh, sine square A into cos square B minus cos square A into sine square B. Now you convert into only one thing. So sine square A into 1 minus sine square B minus 1 minus sine square A into sine square B. So that is sine square A minus sine square A into sine square B minus sine square B sine square B plus sine square A into sine square B. This get cancelled, so this will be sine square A minus sine square B. You convert into 1 minus cos square A and minus 1 minus sine square cos square B. So that will be cos square B minus cos square B. So sine A minus B into sine A plus B is equal to sine square A minus sine square B is equal to cos square B minus cos square A. So this is also very important formula. Now come to the next, that is cos A plus B into cos A minus B. So that will be cos square A into cos square B minus sin square A into sin square B. So this you convert into cos square A into cos square B minus 1 minus sin square A, cos square A into 1 minus cos square B. So this will be cos square A into cos square B minus 1 and minus plus this plus. So plus cos square A and plus minus plus cos square B minus plus and minus cos square A into cos square B. So this will get cancelled, and 1 minus cos square B you will take, then cos square A minus sin square B. How? Then is a cos square A, take minus common, then 1 minus cos square B. So that is sin square. So now you convert into 1 minus sin square A and minus 1 minus cos square B. So minus plus, so that will be cos square B minus sin square A. So this also very important formula. So now we'll summarize this and we'll write all the formulas so that you don't get confused. So first we had derived sine 2 theta. Sine 2 theta is equal to 2 sine theta into cos theta is equal to 2 tan theta into 1 plus tan square theta, and cos 2 theta is equal to cos square theta minus sin square theta, and that is equal to 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. Here also you can write 2 cos square theta minus 1, or also write 1 minus 2 sin square theta. So this also you can write cos square theta, 2 cos square theta is equal to m plus cos 2 theta, and 2 sin square theta is equal to 1 minus sin 2 theta. Tan 2 theta also you can write 2 tan theta into 1 minus tan square theta. Now come to the 3 theta formula. Sin 3 theta is equal to 3 sin theta minus 4 q, 3 sin theta minus 4 sin q theta. You just go up and see sin 3 theta. Sin 3 theta, 3 sin theta minus 4 sin q theta, and cos 3 theta is equal to 4 cos q theta minus 3 cos theta. We have also find out sin 18 degree is equal to root 5 minus 1 divided by 4, and cos 36 degree is equal to root 5 plus 1 by 4, and 36 degree also we have found. So now we'll come to the 2 sin A into cos A, cos B. 2 sin A into cos B is equal to sin A plus B plus sin A minus B, and 2 cos A into sin B is equal to sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. Now 2 cos A into cos B is equal to cos A plus B minus plus cos A minus B, and 2 sin A into sin B is equal to 2 sin A into sin B is equal to cos A minus B will be first, and then minus cos A minus A plus B. Now we have also found 2 sin C plus sin D formula. Sin T plus sin D formula is 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2, and cos sin C minus D sin C minus sin D formula is equal to 2 cos C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. Now cos C plus cos D is equal to 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2, and cos C minus cos D is equal to 2 sin C plus D by 2 and sin D minus C by 2. So that formula we have learned. So you have to remember all these formula. So in next chapter, we'll be solving lot of questions based on this.